Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the replacement process, you will need the following tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Start by unplugging the Dyson HS hairdryer. Safety first. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the hairdryer. There are typically 4 screws to remove. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each of them and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle casing. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to help pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any internal components during this step. Now, you'll see the internal components, including the turbine. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris that could affect performance. Cleaning the internal area can significantly improve the efficiency of your dryer. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth can do wonders. To remove the turbine, you'll find it secured with 2 additional screws. Carefully unscrew them using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the turbine out of its housing. If it's stuck, use the tweezers to assist in carefully dislodging it without applying too much force. With the old turbine removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new turbine in its designated place and secure it with the screws you just removed. Ensure it's snug but avoid over-tightening, as this could lead to damage. As you reassemble the handle, remember to check that all wires are properly positioned and not pinched. This is crucial not just for performance, but also for safety. Reattach the handle casing and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about performing this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, and get a quote before any repair is made. Once the hairdryer is fully reassembled, plug it in and test it. Ensure that the new turbine is working smoothly and that there are no unusual noises. If everything operates correctly, you've successfully replaced the turbine. In summary, replacing the turbine in your Dyson HS hairdryer is a straightforward process with the right tools and care. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device, and if you ever need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.